Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm totally new in YouTube, so it would be really nice if you are going to like and subscribe my videos. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can earn up to $60 online just by writing messages. I found 3 different companies that I really want to talk about. The first company I want to talk about is Cloudworkers. Cloudworkers was founded in 2015, and Cloudworkers is now one of the largest, most successful and thriving chat companies in the world. And the good thing about this job is you can sit from home and work, or you can go on holiday, because this job is as a freelancer. All you need is a computer, you need stable internet connection, and you need competent language skills. And they guarantee you a regular income each month. You can get long-term employment, and you get also opportunities for professional growth and advancement. Cloudworkers also have a YouTube channel where you can go and watch videos of the person that is working for Cloudworkers company. They have persons who is sitting all around the world. So if you're example from Bosnia, you can go watch the Bosnian videos so you can hear more about the company. What they expect from you is that you just need a computer or a laptop. You can work as a freelancer, and everything you just need is that you can be flexible, you can be independent, and you can decide which hours you are going to work. The only thing you need to do is you're going to apply here. You write your first name, you write your last name, and you're going to write your email address so they can contact you. And then also when you was born, everything like this. And then here you can apply in like which language you want. As you can see, there is many different languages. It's not only English. Even Scandinavian people can also work in this job if they want to. Because as I know, many Scandinavian people like to travel a lot. So this is a really great opportunity. So if you, example, lost your job during the Corona times, or if you just want some extra money in your pocket each month, this is a really great opportunity. All you need to do is just send an application and send it. And normally you can earn between like up to like $0.20 in 1 hour when you are as a chat moderator. And you can guarantee 100% send 200 messages in 1 hour. So as you can see here, if we say 0.20 and 200 messages, you can get up to $40 in 1 hour just by sending messages to people. So if this is going to be an interesting for you, then go and make the application right now. The next company I found is Textingfactory. So the next company I'm going to talk about is Textingfactory. Textingfactory is also like Cloudworkers, just a chat moderator company. Here they say you can earn up to $300 weekly, but I have one friend who is working for this company, and she told me that you can easily also send like 200 messages here, and normally they start from like $0.12 to $0.15 for each message. So it's much more than you actually think. The only thing you need to do here is actually the same as Cloudworkers. They just don't say so much about like the application. Here you just send start application, and then they will text you back. And you also don't need any qualifications here. And here you just need to send the application, then you get an email in 24 hours. The good thing about this company is also that you will get some online training. So even if you have never worked with chat moderating before, you will get online training from this company. And then you can work whenever you want. So again, it's also a freelance work, because the platform is always open. So if you want to work like in nighttime, you can work in nighttime. If you want to go travel, you can go travel. And the good thing about this company is that you can also work from here, not only in your laptop, but also in iPad and on your telephone. But this one is only in English, so it's only like fluent English. So example, if you sit as me and your English is not like totally perfect and you're not from America, I will not recommend you to search for this job. But now we can look like how much money you can get each hour here. So if we say the starting salary is 0.12, you can earn up to $24 in 1 hour only by sending 200 messages. So if you send more than 200 messages, you will of course get much more money. So, and they also make security check, as I can see here. And here is like some advice from other chat moderators, just like Cloudworkers also had. So if this is something for you, then you can go apply for this job, but only in English. So everyone, now this one is the last company I'm gonna talk about today. And this is called E-moderators. E-moderators is this company where you can earn a lot more money than you can in the other two companies. Here you can earn 24 euro cents each messages, which is $0.28. So just think a little bit about how much money you can actually get in 1 hour. Before I will show you that, I will tell you a little bit more about this company also. Here it also says you're your own boss. This means that you can work whenever you want, like a freelancer again. You can get good salary, and you are also sure that they will pay you weekly, which is really good. So example, if you earn like $1,000 in 1 week, you will get it after 1 week. You don't need to have to wait like 1 month like a normal work. And you can work wherever you want, like they also say here. They also say you only need a Wi-Fi, laptop, and bank account, which is just like the other ones again. And here they provide you a personal tutor. That's really nice. And we will look how the application is going to look like now. So here you need to write your name, your email address, your age, where you come from, and which residence you have. And here it's also only for English. And there is different kind of English, which I didn't know so much about, but that's okay. And here you can say I will only work in daytime, or I will only work in nighttime, or you can say I'm available always because you don't, example, have a work. And now I will show you how it's going to be. Example, if you get $0.28, and if you send, example, like 300 messages in 1 hour, or sorry, 350 messages, you will get $98 each hour. Which means if you work 8 hours, you will get $784 in 8 hours of work. So if you really want to earn money, this is the perfect place for you. So thank you everyone for watching all my videos today. And if you like this video, and if you want to hear more about like how you can work online, or if you want to hear anything about crypto money, then just go and like and subscribe my channel, and then you will push the notification button, and then you will get a message every time I'm posting a new video.